enjoy natin ang weather habang mainit pa. Kasi next week, single digits na lang sigurado ang mga leaves na ito. As you can see, ayan, nag-yellow na, they're falling na. They're falling on the ground. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Kung sino ka man, I have one viewer. Thank you, thank you. Dito sa park, kailangan mabagal. I think 20. 20 lang dapat. Sabayan niyo po ako. Ako po ay nakatira dito sa Winnipeg, Manitoba. Mag-iwan lang ng bakas. Babalikan ko kayo. Thank you for watching. Ang ganda-ganda dito. Ayun, may mga naglalakad. People enjoy walking at the park. Kauumpisa pa lang po. Kauumpisa ko pa lang mag-live. My first time doing live here in YouTube. Kaya pasensya na po. Pinag-aaralan ko pa lang. I opened my YouTube channel last February 29, and then I didn't really post much for a few months. Now I decided to try to get monetized because my friend in Alberta, I think we started the same time. Now she's monetized, so I'm jealous. So I decided to start my live too. She do live. She enjoy doing live every day. There, baba tayo. Gonna go for a walk. Hello, hello. Mag-iwan lang po tayo ng bakas. Thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you. Ang ganda ng paligid natin. Ayan. People are walking, there's somebody there biking, and someone walking his dog. Ngayon. Oh, there's more people walking, so I'm gonna go for a walk too. Try natin mag-walk. Thanks for watching. Bye. Paano Paano mag-off? Share natin to Facebook. Ay, ganun pala yun. Ayun. May natutunan ako ngayon. Pwede mong i-share. Tapos, how do we see kung merong nag-iwan? Sorry guys, I'm learning here. Okay. How do we see kung may paano makikita kung merong message.